Want to start Bitcoin mining from home without complicated setups? This small but powerful device might surprise you. Meet the Bitaxe Gamma 601, a compact and efficient open-source Bitcoin miner designed for beginners and tech enthusiasts alike. Right out of the box, you get a sleek device with a premium cooling system powered by a Noctua fan, ensuring stable and quiet performance. Setting it up is incredibly simple. Just connect the power adapter and the built-in OLED screen instantly comes to life, showing real-time system status. Next, connect to the device using your smartphone through its built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. Open the configuration page and you're ready to go. Enter your Wi-Fi details, add your Bitcoin wallet address, and save the settings. No technical skills required. Everything is user-friendly and fast. Within moments, the miner restarts and begins working automatically. You can now see live data like hash rate, temperature, and fan speed directly on the display. For deeper monitoring, simply open the device dashboard using its IP address, track performance, analyze graphs, and stay fully in control of your mining activity. This is one of the easiest ways to get started with solo Bitcoin mining at home using low power and minimal space. If you're interested in simple, efficient, and beginner-friendly crypto mining, this device is definitely worth checking out. Let me know what kind of products you want to see next, and don't forget to share this video with others who love smart tech.
To order this product, please check the first comment. Our website link is there. Click the link to place your order.
Wait, don't scroll. If you need power on the go, this smart gadget might be exactly what you're looking for. Built for the modern world, it delivers fast, efficient charging in a sleek and compact design. Take a look at its transparent body, giving you a premium and futuristic feel, while the digital display keeps you updated with accurate battery percentage at all times. Equipped with dual USB outputs, you can charge your phone and earbuds simultaneously without any hassle. Simply install 318650 batteries and create your own powerful portable charger with a smart solder-free design. Inside, the precision-engineered circuit board ensures reliable performance, while the lightweight build makes it perfect for travel. With Type-C and micro USB input options, it offers flexible and convenient charging for everyday use. Compact, stylish, and highly functional, this pocket-sized power bank is the perfect combination of performance and design. Upgrade your tech lifestyle today. Get yours now from AliExpress.
For more new and exciting updates about amazing AliExpress deals, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay connected with us. Turn on the bell icon